Hey guys, Joe from Extreme Terrain, and today I'm going to be reviewing and showing you how to install the Camber Fabrications by MBRP hood-mounted light bracket kit fitting all 16 and newer Tacomas. Now something like this is going to be perfect for the Tacoma owner who's looking to add some auxiliary lighting to the front end of their truck and needs a bracket that looks good, is easy to install, and budget friendly. These brackets are made out of 3/16" steel, which is then die cut with the OCF logo right on the side, and then black powder coated, which serves to not only add to the looks, but protect these from the elements as well. Now, pricing for these is going to come in at around 65 bucks for the pair, which again, this is a really budget friendly set and allows you to easily mount some 3-inch cube lights up to your truck. Install isn't going to be too bad either, as this uses all factory mounting locations. There's no drilling or modification required. I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Should only take you about 10 minutes to get these installed. So without any further ado, let me show you how it's done. The only tools you'll need for this install are going to be a ratchet, 12mm socket, and microfiber rag. So our mounting bracket for the light is going to sit under these two 12mm bolts right here. I'm just gonna hold it up next to it. We're gonna be dropping those out, putting this in between, and then re-securing those. This back one does need to come all the way out, but the front one is slotted, so we're just gonna loosen that a little bit, slide this in place, and then tighten that back down. Now this hood is pretty heavy, so what I did is I just put a rag underneath the corner to make sure it doesn't scratch up the plastic underneath. But other than that, make sure you have some good support on this when you loosen up those bolts. Now, as you tighten this down, you just want to make sure that the paint marks on the hood and the bracket line up back where they were. And then we can do the same thing for the other side. Now all that's left for us to do is to slowly close the hood and make sure it still lines up. And that is going to do it for my review and install of the Camber Fabrications by MBRP hood-mounted light bracket kit fitting all 16 and newer Tacomas. Thank you for watching. I'm Joe. For more videos like this and all things Tacoma, please subscribe to Extreme Terrain.